I can't hear anything you're saying. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm with my boy Wiley5oh. We're out here doing some dumb shit. Yes sir! God damn! Now, we don't know where we're going. We couldn't decide, but we did know that we wanted to go out and ride. So we went out, we got some food, and now we're just taking the streets. Oh my god! Yeah, boy! Oh, he's leaving me! Alright, we good now. Where's he at? This fool's gone! There he is. Thank you, sir. Stupid. Oh my god, there's so much traffic. Maybe the streets wasn't a good idea. This fool's fucking crazy. Whoa, buddy. Whoa, look at that truck. That truck's pretty cool. Hey. Yeah, boy. This motherfucker. Yeah. Motherfucker, god damn it. Come on, homie. Yeah, boy. This motherfucker. What the fuck was that? What? Yeah, I don't know. Hey, go left. This guy coming through, buddy. That's a big ass truck. Oh my god, my mirrors aren't gonna fit. Why is taking this light so long? Everybody's looking at this fool. Oh my god, I can't see! Oh, his bike is so loud. Man, he was bumping. Look at me, look at my shadow. Wonder if they're having the class right now. Let's see. Ah, they're not. Sad. How would they take the MSF course? This guy is braking. Ah! God damn! That shit's hella loud. That hurt my ears. Dude, he doesn't know what I'm saying. Cop didn't even look at us. Alright. Where are we going? Where are we going? Are we lost? No. I know where I'm at. Just don't. Where did this bag come from? What? That motorbike is so loud. Oh my god. Go, go, go. What the fuck is he doing? This fool's a dumbass. I don't want to ride over here. You don't? I don't either. There's also a lot of traffic. Huh? There's a lot of traffic. Oh, damn it. I don't know where we're at. Let's turn right. Alright, hopefully we'll get somewhere with some better roads, because these roads fucking suck. I'm also not a fan of all this traffic on some open roads. It's a cop. This lane turns right. Come on, decide. Oh, we're turning, I guess. Why are we going so slow? Look at him, he's gonna look at her. This guy. The fool talking to us? Oh! I don't know.
Oh no, you gotta go somewhere.
Ah! Hey, you're breaking the law. You broke the law. Going so slow. This fool messed up my mirror. There we go. Yeah, baby. Alright, I can't stop for this, Anthony. You better catch up. Oh. You messed up my mirror!
What?
You messed up my mirror!
I messed up that mirror!
What?
Messed up that mirror!
Yeah, but you messed up this one too!
Oh, where are you going?
When I was fucking... This light takes forever. What are you doing back there?
Huh?
What are you doing back there? That's gross.
The bike is smoking!
Where?
I don't know, I just seen it!
I don't see anything.
There's no smoke right here!
He says his bike's smoking, but I didn't see nothing. Oh, is it still doing it? There's a bike. It's bright. Oh, dude, it's so bright I can't see nothing. Dude, this fool just stalled. Yeah, baby. Oh my God, it's a red light. There's another bike. Yeah. Yeah. Where is this fool going? I want to go in there. Why is it blocked off? What side of the river are we on? Oh, a little scooter. I don't think I know where this road goes. Oh my God! Is there a bridge that connects this to the other side of the river? I hope so, but I really don't know. I really need to get mine. See, I bought this quad lock little handlebar mount, but I didn't buy the vibration dampener because I already have one. But that's on my R1, which is at my buddy's house, which means I have to go make a trip out there to go get it, and that's a lot of work. So I haven't done it, but I don't trust using my phone on the mount without using the vibration dampener. So I've kind of just have had it without using it. That's a big ass Jeep. Yeah. Whoa! Where are you going? Yeah! Wait a second. We went down this road with Ray. Oh! This road sucks. I do want to get across to the other side of the river though, because the river's right there and I want to be over there. This is going the wrong way. Look at that house. Damn, imagine having a house right there. That's crazy. It is starting to get cold though. What the fuck? Oh my god. Go for it. Yo. God damn. There's a bicycle. The Mustang down there. We need to get over there. We need to get on a bridge that we can walk across over there. I don't know if he understood that. He can't hear me, but I'm hoping the hand signals did the trick. Where we at?
Focus. Speed. I am speed.
Hey! Let's pull over. Cause I don't know where I'm at. I don't know where we are.
I want to go downtown.
Yeah, I was hoping there was a bridge. I don't know if you got that from my hand signals. That was a bridge.
Oh, I thought you were like walking. Like.
No, I was pointing to the other side and saying we needed to find a bridge to go across to the other side.
Yeah, cause I definitely got that from this.
I kind of figured you wouldn't understand, but I was hoping that you would. There is not a bridge for 7 more minutes.
Did he turned right up?
That's what I was thinking. We went up this road with him, huh?
Yeah.
But it got to the point where we kind of got too far and I didn't want to turn around and go back up it. So I was hoping we'd just keep going and eventually we'd find it. Oh, I just stalled. Alright, I hope those came out good because I can't tell.
Hey, take a picture?
I just did.
I'm not in it.
I'm not in it. It's hella dirty.
No!
It doesn't look as good as it does in real life. What? He's yelling. What does that mean? Oh, stop? What the fuck is he doing? This fool's a dumbass. What is he doing? That fool, what the fuck? I guess I'll pull over. He's crazy.
My battery died.
Oh, his battery died. Maybe it was a good idea to... I want to go up there. Oh, that was kind of fun. I gotta switch my battery at 2. I'll be right back. Alright, new battery. Now we're off somewhere. What the heck is he doing? I guess we're taking some pictures too. I have no gas. Hey! Hey! I know this fool can hear me. I need gas.
Huh?
I need gas. Picture time. Dirty ass bike. Yeah. How is he running? There's a plane. Dang. Dang. This fool can take pictures. Dang.
Fucking iPhone, baby.
It's time to get back down from here. My gas went up. What the heck? Alright, we're gonna get down and we're not gonna crash. Hopefully. Oh! We did it. So while we were up there, some guy was waving his arms at us. He didn't seem very happy that I was up there. So I don't know if we weren't supposed to be up there. We probably weren't supposed to be up there, but oh well. Wait, where are we? Alright, we might be lost again. We're really good at getting lost for some reason. Oh my god, dude, it's getting so cold. Where are we going? This is the middle of nowhere. What's he waving at? Man, someone was getting down right there. Hey, that was pretty good. Where are we going? All right, we had to take a break because we kind of got lost. I was trying to make sure we knew where we were going. But we're back, baby. We're on the freeway. We're heading to downtown. We're gonna go cause some more trouble. But it is getting cold for sure. Let's go get him. Oh my God, brake lights. Okay, I guess. The shit die?
Am I recording?
Hey! Hey! Right here! Right here! This fool! I was trying to get him to pull over because he was pointing at his GoPro asking if it was recording and it wasn't. So I thought he wanted to stop. And he kept going. Oh, but I hear him. This fool. Oh my God, this was a mistake. We need to get to a more busy side. Let's go that way. That guy was just pulled out. What the fuck did that get there? What happened?
I don't see anything wrong with the stock flywheel.
Oh, he's on the phone. I was so lost. Alright, we're going this way. This lady's staring at us. Oh! I stalled. Bye, Rick's Diner. So we couldn't find any parking on the street, so we pulled up on the sidewalk, which worked out pretty well. Saline? Oh my God, you were going so slow. So slow. Oh my God, that sounds so good. Oh, it's a red light. Oh, I'm gonna bounce this shit. You ready? You ready? I'm gonna bounce it. I'm gonna balance it. Damn it, that was not a bounce. Oh. Your mom?
Go so bad.
What?
Go.
Oh, I know. What is this guy doing? Alright guys, so we were leaving Old Sack earlier and my GoPro died. So we stopped at Rick's Dessert Diner, got some milkshakes, I charged up one of my batteries, now we're heading out. It's really cold, it was not this cold earlier. It also got dark really fast, but that's okay because we're heading home anyways. It's probably gonna be it for today guys. I appreciate you coming out, hope you enjoyed, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.